The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning, serving around the area of Cleveland, Ohio. At around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown dangerous creature, resembling of the frilled-neck fictional dinosaur named Dilophosaurus, from Jurassic Park, but it is zombified, has been reported to cause havoc and damage around the area downtown streets of Cleveland. There have been 15 deaths and 30 injuries reported as well due to the unknown creature attacking and causing havoc across some areas of Cleveland. However, it is possible that it could be a zombie Dilophosaurus, but it is not, however, confirmed at this time yet. All residents here around the entire area of Cleveland, lock all of your windows and doors immediately, and do not make any sudden noises, and do not approach the unknown zombified creature as well, as it could be considered extremely dangerous, and will probably kill you and face certain death if you do so. It has also been reported that the unknown creature can also spit radioactive venom, and has an infection bite that could turn people into zombies, which can make the situation even more worse and dangerous than it already is. Stay tuned for more information and updates as it follows.
This is ABC 5 News, reporting speaking, serving around the area of Cleveland, Ohio. There have been reports that an unknown creature, resembling the frilled neck inaccurate Dilophosaurus from the film Jurassic Park, but with zombified appearances, has been reported to attack and cause some destructive damage and havoc across some areas of Cleveland, and it is estimated that there have been 15 deaths and 30 injuries that has been reported as well. However, there is radioactive in some places since it has been reported that the unknown creature can spit radioactive venom as well, which can possibly turn people into zombies. The unknown creature could possibly be the extinct inaccurate Dilophosaurus that can spit venom and has a frilled neck, but this is not, however, confirmed at this time yet. Please do not approach the unknown zombified looking dinosaur creature by any means, as it could be considered extremely dangerous, and it will probably kill you and you will face certain death if you do so. Please stay inside your homes and safe zones, and make sure you have all of your windows and doors closed and locked, and have all of your supplies as well. A zombie apocalypse could possibly happen, so please stay tuned to this for more updates and information. Holy shit, it's the zombified looking creature that looks like a Dilophosaurus. I better get the living hell out of here before I die. Oh dear lord.
Please stand by for this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action notification that was issued, serving around the entire area of Cleveland, Ohio. This is not a test. To repeating, this is not a test. There have been extreme reports that a zombie outbreak has been issued and occurring around the area of Cleveland. These people who died or have been injured and killed by the zombie Dilophosaurus have been reported to become zombie-like creatures. The unknown creature has also been reported and confirmed to be the zombie Dilophosaurus, a zombified radioactive dinosaur that resembles the inaccurate frilled-neck Dilophosaurus from the film Jurassic Park. The following dinosaur creature has the following characteristics: a saurian body, with radioactive venom on its mouth, has blood and infected green olive over its body, and has blue light eyes, and has the ability to spit radioactive venom, which can turn uninfected people into zombies faster in approximately lesser than 20 minutes. These zombies creatures have the following characteristics: a rotten bloody body, wearing torn clothing, slow to moderate movement, poor eyesight, making moaning or groaning noises, and the worst, also covered with radioactive and blood as well. All residents here around the entire area of Cleveland, you must lock all of your doors and windows immediately. Make sure you have a set of supplies with you, such as food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone and a battery-powered radio, in order to last you for about 14 days, and make sure you turned off all heating and air conditioning units, make sure you have closed all fireplace dampers and vents, and make sure you seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Do not approach the zombie Dilophosaurus, or the zombie creatures. They are considered extremely dangerous, or you will face certain death and you will turn into a zombie after 20 minutes or less if you do so. If you have been infected by the zombies, or the radioactive venom that the zombie Dilophosaurus spits, you must commit suicide immediately or you will become a zombie, as there might not be a cure for this. Please stay tuned for more updates and information about this extremely dangerous and life-threatening serious situation that has been happening on the entire area of Cleveland. Please stand by for this message. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action notification that was issued, serving around the entire area of Cleveland, Ohio. At around 4:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There have been reports that the gas leakages have been reported to be leaking around across several areas of Cleveland, along with radioactive as well, which causes severe explosions and damages. People have reported that a nuclear explosion is about to happen and occur in the next 50 minutes, due to the fact that there has been so many gas leakages and radioactive that has been occurring around several areas of Cleveland. So, all residents here, around the entire area of Cleveland, it is highly recommended to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions and attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in a certain death. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Make sure you have all of your windows and doors locked in your houses, as there are zombie creatures everywhere in Cleveland, and make sure you have everything that is important packed in your supplies, such as food, water, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone, and a battery-powered radio as well, to last you for about 14 days. Do not make any sudden noises, or the zombies will definitely hear you, and if they break into your house, use a weapon such as a knife, a firearm gun, an axe, or a home run bat, and the best way to kill the zombies is to target their brains. If you have been bitten and infected by the zombies, you must commit suicide immediately, as there is unfortunately no cure for this radioactive infection by disease, or you will become a radioactive zombie in the next 20 minutes or less. Do not go outside for any reason, as it is not safe to go there, or you will be putting yourself in an extremely high risk of danger. Please stay tuned for the following information and updates. For more information about this extremely dangerous, catastrophic and apocalyptic nuclear situation as it follows. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action notification that was issued for your local area. There is extremely massive damage now, across almost the entire area of Cleveland, and there have been reports that 125,000 people have died from the nuclear explosion and the radioactive zombies, and the zombie Dilophosaurus. However, the radioactive zombies are dead now due to the nuclear explosion. However, despite the Nuke containing radioactive, it did not mutate them. Please do not leave your fallout shelters and your underground shelters at this time. Please stay tuned for more following updates and informations as if, what the hell, someone is hacking to the emergency alert broadcast system. Oh god no.
Dilophosaurus. We have hacked into the emergency broadcasting system, and we will take over the world with zombie dinosaurs, or zombie creatures on it, and all humanity will be driven to extinction. So good luck surviving humans, because humanity will be no more.
an administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action termination that was issued, serving around at your local area, Cleveland, Ohio. The zombie Dilophosaurus, the zombified dinosaur creature that was known and responsible for the cause of a zombie apocalypse and a nuclear attack for Cleveland, has now been reported to be killed by some soldiers from the military that arrived in about 15 minutes later. However, there is extremely massive damage across almost the entire area of Cleveland due to the nuclear explosion that has happened a few hours ago. A lot of damage and blood marks that are mostly from the zombies and the zombie Dilophosaurus, as it will take many years or a few decades to rebuild everything back to normal. So all residents here around the area of Cleveland, you can now exit your fallout shelters and your underground shelters. Normal programming may now continue. We thank you for your cooperation.